It's the dumbest excuse you've used to get out of trouble. One night my mom was working late and I had the house to myself. To cure my boredom, she let me invite my friend Josh over. It was going great until we ran out of things to do and got the brilliant idea to toss a football around in the living room. In hindsight, this was a disaster waiting to happen. At first we were careful. Short, soft passes, nothing too risky. But then Josh started showing off, diving for catches like he was in the NFL. Naturally, I had to one-up him, so I threw the ball as hard as I could. Big mistake. Josh went for the catch, missed completely, and the ball flew straight into the table where my mom kept her favorite vase. We both froze, staring at the shattered pieces on the floor like we'd just committed a serious crime. Josh turned to me wide-eyed and said, "Dude, what are you gonna tell your mom?" I had no idea. I scrambled to sweep the mess into a corner, hoping she wouldn't notice. But let's be real, there was no hiding this. When my mom got home, her eyes immediately went to the empty table. "Where's my vase?" she asked, her tone sharp enough to cut glass. I panicked and blurted out the first thing that came to mind. The dog bumped the table. For a second, I thought I'd gotten away with it. But then she crossed her arms and said, "The dog? You mean the one staying at the neighbor's house tonight?" My stomach dropped. At that point, there was no escape. She sighed and said, "You're grounded. 2 weeks, and you're definitely not staying home alone anymore." Josh was laughing so hard I thought he might fall over. "Really? The dog?" he said between breaths. Looking back, it was the dumbest excuse I've ever come up with. And now, every time I see Josh, he reminds me of the night I tried to blame the dog who wasn't even there.